Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can simply send Bitcoin on Coinbase app. So I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how you can simply buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to launch the Coinbase app on the mobile and log in with your email and password. Then go to Asset, which is step 2. Then tap on the asset at the bottom of the screen. Then scroll and select Bitcoin, which is BTC, from your list of assets. Then click on the send button. Then if it's your first time, you will need to verify your identity for security purpose. Then after that, paste the Bitcoin wallet address of the recipient. Then double check the address to avoid errors. And once you do that, you can also use the QR code scanner for accuracy, and then input the amount of Bitcoin, which is BTC, you want to send. Then from there, you can switch between the BTC and your local currency like USD and all other local currency. Then after that, you can also view the transaction details, including the network fee, and also you can also tap send to see the final summary. Then after that, if everything looks correct, then tap send now. Then after that, if required, after you complete verification, if required, enter the 2-step verification code sent to your phone or email. Then after that, you will see a confirmation screen indicating the transaction is completed. You can also check the transaction status in the Bitcoin wallet under the recent transaction. And that's a simple way and a simple guide on how you can simply buy Bitcoin on Coinbase app. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.